Hello there, precious people. How are you all doing? We're going to be making a very simple donut recipe today. Drop donuts. We're going to be using just 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So with this recipe, guys, you can double, quadruple, triple according to the quantity of donuts you want at the end. So it's very easy. Guys, this recipe is specially dedicated and made for people who are just beginning to make donuts or who want to build up on the recipe. So this is like a base. So I'm just going to be using a cup of all-purpose flour. So I'm going to go ahead and put my all-purpose flour, 1 cup, in a bowl. And I'm going to be using 1 tablespoonful of margarine. Guys, look at the quantity. Let me push that in there. I'm just going to go ahead and mix my margarine and all-purpose flour till crumbly. You can actually use butter in the place of margarine. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 egg. I'm going to add approximately 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using brown sugar, guys. And I'm going to be using 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder. So in the place of nutmeg, I'm going to be using vanilla. So use any flavor of choice. Mix everything up. You can add salt if you wish. It's optional. So I'm just going to go ahead now and add my milk in tablespoons. And at the end, I'm going to tell you the quantity of milk we used in tablespoons. So I'm using the normal tablespoon, as you all can see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to work with 10 tablespoons first. Mix everything up. The mixture is good with 10 tablespoons, but not really good. It's still a little bit hard. So I'm going to go ahead and add approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the perfect consistency for donuts. When it drops like this. So normally I get to rest this for approximately 15 minutes on the side before I start frying. You can fry immediately or do the same. See you later. So guys, I have my vegetable oil already in the pan. It's deep frying, guys. And I'm going to go ahead and fry my donuts. So this is what we had or obtained. And I'm going to go ahead and fry. If you want to learn how to fry donuts accurately, I have approximately 4 to 5 donut videos on this channel. Yogurt donuts, banana donuts, normal donuts, donuts for business. Please, I'm going to leave the links to the videos under this video in the description box so you guys can check. Thank you. So guys, our donuts are now golden brown, and I'm going to remove this from the oil and place on some paper towel. Beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. Love and light your way. Bye bye.